Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the quick review on the camera new interface which got modified in the Poco X2 after updating to the MIUI 12. So right now in the Poco X2, I did update my mobile to the MIUI 12 version. So recently the MIUI 12 version has been rolling out in most of the Indian users for the Poco X2. So if you did not receive the update, don't worry, keep on checking the software updates regularly. You will receive the update as soon as possible. So even I did a plenty of videos on explaining the update and showing you the screenshots of the few comments, so where my users they did get the update for the Indian variant as well. So as you can see, so try to check those videos to get to know more clarity on update of the MIUI 12 in the Poco X2. So right now in this video, I'll be going through the complete tutorial on the camera application after the MIUI 12 update. So the reason why I'm doing this video, because with the MIUI 12 update there are so many areas and so many categories, so where the MIUI 12 update has brought plenty of changes in terms of customization, new animations, so news as you can see right now how the animation looks, so everything got changed. So that's why I decided to focus on the camera area, where few of the things which makes a lot of sense after this new update. So there are so many good new features which got implemented in the camera area. So today I'll be focusing on this camera alone, and I got the Mi10 Lite as a comparison side by side with the MIUI 11 version. So just you can get a clear idea how much difference it made after the updating to the MIUI 12. So this is 11 version and this is a 12 version. So you can compare side by side camera applications. So you'll get to know what are the real cases, how it's useful. As you can see friends, right now when you open the two applications, so you do see this kind of same interface in the bottom here. So video, photo and portrait and all these modes, as you can see. So now before behind the photo there used to be 48 megapixel option, but now if you want to access 64 megapixel or 48 megapixel, you need to go to the more and select here 64 megapixel. So but there is an option in the more here. So when you go to more and you can edit and you can choose 64 megapixel as a start screen here. So in this way you can get the 64 megapixel near the photo area, so every time you don't need to go to the more section always, as you can see. So which makes a lot of sense for me to use this kind of option sideways. So mostly I would take the photos with a normal photo or with 64 megapixel. The portrait shots I won't use much, so that's why I shifted the portrait shots to the last end. So these are interface of it looks, the shutter button and everything is same bottom. So a little bit got renovated, as you can see the shutter button. So in terms of zooming, the same kind of dots is present in both MIUI 11 and 12, so there's nothing much difference is happening here. So let's take a look at the top side. So when you click the three dot over there, so right now you can see here, so there's a huge difference right now friends, definitely you can see. So first thing what I like is, so if you want to select any timer, you need to go to the timer. Now if you want to select the 5 seconds or 3 seconds, every time you need to double press to actually get that number. But right now with the new update, this is not the case. So you can actually select the number within very short time, as you can see. So there is a separate bar over there which indicates the timer, as you can see friends, the top second. So directly you can select 3 seconds. So that is very fast. So without even thinking, without even spending so much time in figuring out a various timer and everything, the timer is actually present on the top. And next is a ratio, even the camera frame ratio as well. Every time you need to tap a couple of times to get that exact frame what you need. But right now with the new update, so just with few clicks, done. So this is the first row and second row is a timer. So this is the best use case scenario friends, which will decrease lot of time in terms of messing up with settings. So this is a huge scenario which is very much useful for me. So even right now you can see there all the options are very good, and you can pretty much see all the options here. So which is also one of the best advantage. Now all the options what you select will be highlighted with the yellow color. So previously it used to be just blue color, which is not that much visible, but at least it's visible. But when you compare with this yellow color is much good and visible than the normal blue color in my opinion. So these are overall thing which I'm talking here. This is a very good interface which got modified when you compare with the normal settings with the previous MIUI 11. So these are one of my favorite feature which got changed here. So next on the top, if you notice here, there's a flashlight, HDR mode, AI mode, and live mode is also there in the Poco X2. And next is normal filters you do got. So these are the few settings we do have in the Poco X2. So now let me switch to the video and let's see in the video what difference will it make in the settings. So let me tap the settings and right now friends is another advantage as I said. So now if I want to switch to the 1080 30 fps, done. So with just one click I can go back. So for example, in the previous version the actual settings was on the 4K 30 fps, so then I need to tap twice to get back to the 1080 at 30 fps, so which is not consistent, and sometimes I end up recording even with the 1080 60 fps as well, because I am not aware that it's recording at that resolution because of the small text over there. But right now with this update you do get a very good area where it's completely from small to big, it's completely organized on the top. So 720, 1080 30 fps and 1080 60 fps and 4K 30 fps, which is completely good and decent, so which I am pretty much love in terms of using this kind of features. So do comment below friends if this is the most important thing for you, because for me it's a very good thing which they got implemented with this kind of yellow color thing going on here. So we actually know which resolution we are recording properly at the moment. So this is a best feature which got added here. So let me select the 48 and 60 megapixels. So both are kind of same here, so there is nothing much difference here. So you do get timer and everything, so that's pretty good. In the portrait shot, same interface you do see sides, so which is also kind of similar. So overall friends, is a quick review on the camera interface after updating to the MIUI 12 update. So as you can see, you do have plenty of new modes right now: time lapse, night mode, and slow motion. So if you select the slow motion, so right now as I said, when you tap here you do get very good interface like this. So within 2 taps you can select what quality you want: 720, 960 fps, done, that's it. So this is very fastest way to select the what type of resolution you want and what timer you want to select. So this is a most interesting feature for me friends. Definitely I love using this new MIUI 12, which makes our life very much easier and very much faster as well. So there are some drawbacks and side effects of MIUI 12 update, so which I'll be talking in another video as well. So do subscribe to my channel for more in-depth videos, and also do check the links in description for the exactly what wallpapers I'm using currently in my phone. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.